So the other day, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a video posted by the Motley Fool titled "That is what inspired this article," but what we're going to be talking about is where to invest $100 in the stock market right now. And the reason why I am covering this article, is because while it's great to talk about investing $1,000, not everyone out there has $1,000 to invest. So instead, we're going to be looking at 3 potential scenarios for investing $100, and at the very end of this article, I'm actually going to open up my Webull account and invest $100 in one of these 3 different scenarios that I'm going to lay out for you in this article. So what I'm going to do is lay out 3 different investment scenarios. The first one is going to be a conservative approach towards investing $100. The second is going to be a moderate approach, and the third is going to be an aggressive approach of how I would invest $100 in the stock market right now. Now it's also important to remember, that while it is exciting to invest in the stock market right now, it could definitely go lower and there's no saying that we are at a bottom or anywhere close. The stock market could go up 20% and down 20%, nobody has any idea what is going to happen with the stock market. But what I will say is this, over the last couple of years, these are some of the lowest prices we have seen in the stock market in the years that I have been doing this, so it is an exciting time to begin investing in the stock market. This is what I would personally do with $100 bucks. Now that being said guys, I just have to make this disclaimer here. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market, and you shouldn't just copycat what other people are doing with their money. But that being said guys, let's get into a scenario number 1 and look. Alright, so for these different scenarios of investing $100, we're going to assume that you are investing without the use of fractional shares, which means you have to purchase entire shares of any stocks we are looking at. So, that is going to limit us to stocks trading under $100 per share, but I think it's gonna make the article more fun and more accessible to most people, who do not have the ability to trade fractional shares through their brokerage account. So for this conservative approach to investing $100, we're gonna be picking one Vanguard ETF and one more defensive blue chip stock. It's one of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, that we're all familiar with, and the reason why we're doing this is because these investments tend to hold up better. So for the Vanguard ETF, what I would buy is one share of VT, which is the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, and this fund is going to give you exposure to both US companies as well as many foreign stocks out there as well, giving you diversified exposure to the entire world stock market. Think of it this way guys, it's like buying a small piece of all the publicly traded companies in the world on major exchanges. And believe it or not, VT is going to give you a small piece of 8,438 different companies, both in the US and trading outside of US markets. Not to mention, this ETF also currently pays a dividend yield of 2.87%, which means you'll be earning a quarterly dividend as you hold on to this ETF. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.